about addition. Learn about addition means learn together. Learn. Who can tell me this sign? What is this sign? What is this sign? And what is this sign? What is this sign? Well, you are going to find total. You are going to find total. Let's start. Vansika, come here. Now count all numbers together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many balls?
5.
Very good. Clap for Vansika. Jivans, come here. Now pass the ball. Count all ball together. 3 plus 1. Very good. Clap for Divan. Ansika, come here. Pass the ball. Two plus two. 2 plus 2. Very good. Clap for Ansika. Now Divan, come here. Pass the ball. Count all balls together. 1 plus 3.
4.
How many balls? Very good. Clap for Divan. Suryans, come here. Pass the ball. 1. What is this? Count all balls together. 1 plus 4.
5.
Very good. Clap for Dina. Hansi, come here. What is this? Pass the ball. 2. 1. Count the ball. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1. Speak loudly. Clap for Divyansi.